welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara and I am back with another try on haul. So this try on haul is what's in my closet. What's in my closet try on haul. So basically anything that I've wore before that's in my closet, you know, and I'm gonna be wearing it, like my best pieces and everything. So I decided to switch it up a little bit because, you know, we ain't gonna be, you know, buying stuff, you know, just for no try on haul or nothing like that. So, yeah, because I end up buying so much stuff and not even wearing it nowhere. No, because I still got stuff in my closet that I haven't wore. Oh no, and y'all not sending me no clothes, so So nah. Yeah, so I'm gonna do, so this video is a what's in my closet or whatever. So anyway, let's get started. This first piece is a solid blue romper crop. And I wore this, I'm just gonna say I wore this for my birthday. I ain't gonna say what year I wore it, but I wore this for my birthday. Yeah. Y'all should already know what the sides look like. The side is siding. The side gonna be siding in this video for sure. Yeah. But yeah, this romper is super stretchy, and I believe I'm wearing a size large, and I most likely got it from AliExpress. Yes, I think I did get it from AliExpress, cause I recently was checking my recent purchase, and yeah, I got it from AliExpress. So yeah, it's super duper stretchy. Like I said, I wore it for my birthday with the blue jean jacket over it. And I think I might have had some sandals on or some flats or whatever, but yeah, I wasn't that prepared because I should have wore some better shoes, but it really don't matter though. Well, yeah, so that's this piece. It's cute. Both sides look the same. Okay? You gotta turn all the way around. All right, y'all. So I am back, and let me explain. I am from the future. Like, you know, this video was recorded in the past, and I had to come back in the future before I posted the video to kind of change it or whatever. Like, so anyway. So I'm gonna take y'all back to the past in a minute, but right now I had to kind of like dive into this video and kind of switch up some things. So I know in the thumbnail y'all see that I don't have no shirt on in these overalls, but since YouTube be tripping, I wasn't taking no chances, even though everything was covered. Maybe on the side you can see like my little bra or whatever. But YouTube be tripping, so I'm like, let me just go back in and do this look over. I was just gonna take the look out all together, but you know, I'm like, I ain't gonna do that. Let me just show them the look, put on the shirt, the Reading Rainbow shirt that y'all done seen before, okay? So anyway, these overalls that I have, let me back up so you can get a little bit visual. When I was, like I was saying in the original video, back when I did wear them, they fitted a little bit better. Right now they don't fit. They fit super duper tight. Like I would have to lose some more weight in order for this to fit like it used to fit, but it don't fit like it used to fit. So when I did wear it, I wore it for a Halloween look. And I did the Minnie Riperton look on her album cover when she had the ice cream and the overalls with no shirt on. Like, I'll show it to y'all though, but I was on point. I was on point with it. I look just like her with the afro and everything. But yeah. Yeah. But that's about it, y'all. And if y'all want to see, I'm gonna post the one when I don't have no shirt on the Patreon, so y'all can go over there and see the video without the shirt on. Yeah, same thing, just don't have no shirt on. That's all. But yeah, this look is good too, though. All right, y'all, I'm gonna take y'all back to the past. All right, next look, y'all gonna go back to the past. I'm done. All right, y'all, so I am back with another one, and this one is a sundress, I guess you wanna call it, like a tank sundress, like forest green sundress, and I wore this for, I know exactly where I wore this. I wore this out, I went on a date. I went on a date with this on. I went on a date with this on. I know for sure that I did. I know for sure. But yeah. This also reminds me, I was on my Facebook page one day and somebody, one of these dudes was like, sundress season failed this year or something like that. All y'all look pregnant. And I'm like, nigga, shut the fuck up. Anyways, I don't look pregnant in mine. I'm actually losing weight. I look pregnant because actually it's giving waste. It's wasting, you know. It's wasting. You know, it's giving, oh, it's a net. How fucking naked in here? Anyway, y'all, yeah, but anyway, it's wasting. Definitely wasting. Okay. And what else I was gonna say? That fucking net or fly distracting me. I ain't had no fly up in here in forever. Oh no. Anyway. But yeah, I wore this out on a date. I wore this out on a date. I know for a fact I don't look pregnant. And y'all, I'm not throwing up gang signs. It just, I got on gel nails and they were supposed to last over 2 weeks, but these gel nails only last for a week and a half. Barely lasted a week. Like, this thing is a fucking rip off. So I ended up peeling it off because it kept on getting caught, you know, every time I do my hair. Like, ugh. Anyway, so you see me doing little funny things with my hand, it ain't got nothing to do with signing or nothing like that. It's just trying to cover my fingernail. All right, y'all. Y'all, I don't recall where I got this from. It couldn't have been, it might have been AliExpress, I'm not sure. It's been so long ago. But I can still fit this thing good though. I can still fit it good, if not better. Yeah. And this is a size, oh Lord, I should have checked the size. I think it's an extra large. It might be a large though. I was just trying to think of when I wore this, what place did I go to though? But I knew I knew I wore it on a date, and I know exactly who the person is. That's funny how outfits you ain't worn in a while just brings up memories, you know? It just brings up memories. Okay, y'all. So here's another one. Here's another one, and I don't know why I keep pulling out stuff that I wore for my birthday. But anyway, I did say that, this is a what's in my closet, video, and mostly the pieces that I'm trying on I have wore out before. So this one I wore for my birthday. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm just wearing outfits that, brings up memories of good memories. So on my birthdays, well, anytime that I went out on my birthday, it was good. And the people that I celebrated it with, they okay or whatever, or I'm probably not even talking to them no more. See? Let me start remembering, because I be talking y'all ear off instead of showing a peek. But anyway, this is Versace Inspire. Versace. Okay. Versace Inspired, of course. I hope y'all can't see my underwear when let me button it up one more time. I hope y'all ain't see my underwear. Yeah. When I did like that, I hope y'all ain't see. Y'all probably did a little bit. But anyway. Yeah, so this like a little long shirt, blouse, kind of dress like. I think I did wear like some black shorts underneath it back then. But like, yeah, and it's like buttons up. And it's giving like a little silk material vibe going on. And yeah, I definitely wore something under it. And I got this from AliExpress for sure. I remember where I got this from. The size could be a large or extra large one. I don't really remember. Okay. Oh, y'all not gonna even be able to hear the jazz. I just turned the air on and it closed my door. Anyway, this clip is almost done. I'm pretty much done showing y'all this Versace inspired little blouse shirt, button up, long sleeve. Alright, y'all, so last but not least, I had to pair this up with something, so y'all already know where this crop piece come from. I ain't gotta explain it. But anyway, this piece right here, I'm gonna back up to show y'all, but I just want to explain. This piece is like it's giving cowboy type vibe. It's cowboy. I don't know what it's called. Maybe I'll think of it before I upload this video, but yeah, I definitely had to wear some shorts under it. But it's giving like, the little cowboy, cowgirl little vibe thing. These are definitely a duplicate, a dupe. I got these years and years ago. I don't even think they sell these no more. I got them from AliExpress years ago. I think it's sold out, but they are definitely a duplicate. So yeah. But y'all get what I'm talking about. Y'all know what this thing is giving. It's giving cowboy, cowgirl type. So that's how these jeans are made. That's how they made, so. I don't even recall wearing these somewhere. I think I just took photos in them. I just took photos in it. Back at my apartment, I took photos in these, but I don't recall going out in these. But it's never too late, because I definitely gotta wear these out. These gotta be seen. But I don't know. I need to wear this with something. Not these shorts though. I need to wear it with something else. Maybe some like lace see-through. No, because the butt's still showing. No, I need to wear this with something. I don't know. I guess because it was hard to pair it up with something, so I ain't really wear it out nowhere. But y'all get it. Y'all get how it looks like, okay? Y'all get it. Okay? Alright, y'all. That is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and turn on that notification bell so you know exactly when I post. Y'all like this video? Let me know if y'all like these type of videos, and I'll do more. Alright, bye!